Hi everyone, it's Rebecca Combs at Design and Adorn, and I want to share with you the bead artistry kits. They're here as a trunk show. The show starts February 8th and runs through February 17th, so it's over the course of 2 weeks. And what they are is they are complete bead kits. Each one has everything you need to make the project. All the beads are in here. They're all really neatly labeled, telling you the size and where they go in the project. It has very detailed instructions in here, so these are really easy to follow along. So it has all your beads, has a clasp in here. You just need your needle and thread to make these. We have lots of beautiful samples. Sometimes the hardest part with kits is visualizing what the finished piece will look like. So Stephanie Harrell, the designer of these kits, has solved that by sending all these fantastic samples. We're even teaching 2 classes to show off some of these kits. This is the tennis bling bracelet. This class is coming up this weekend. We have these in 6 different colorways to choose from. This is a great beginner project. If you are new to the world of bead stitching, this is fantastic for you. And if you're already an experienced beader, this is something just fun to whip up pretty quickly. These are super cute. And then next weekend, we're doing the fancy fringe. And again, these aren't really hard, but they're so pretty. Lots of sparkle. Has a magnet clasp on it with a safety chain, which is so nice on a bracelet, so you don't have to worry about losing it in case your magnet sticks to your shopping cart or your mailbox or whatever. There are also some beautiful peyote kits if you're a fan of flat peyote. All of these are charted patterns with delicas. These are really pretty, and then there's also peyote stitch with the different sizes, so you get sort of a Cellini wave effect. These kits are really reasonably priced. They start at $22. The most expensive kit is $65, and again, all of them have all the beads you need to make the project and detailed, easy to follow instructions. I hope you'll come see us soon. The show again is running from February 8th through the 17th. Bye!